you are doing some activities, you are going. What is exactly you are doing now?
We are actually, when we see the condition of the road, people are suffering so much. Roads are all with gutters, potholes. We feel very sorry, and nobody else is doing so. Whatever we can, we are doing so that people's life will be made easier. So that whenever we go on the road, people will not find it difficult, all shaking, especially with the sick patients. People all the time moving up and down. Lot of road accidents. Wherever we can, at least what we can in the little way, we are trying to make the road all right. That is what we are doing.
So for how many days you are continuing this work?
Oh, we are doing almost maybe some for 5 months. Many places here and there, wherever we see holes. Very often when we go with Gadi, we carry tools. So whenever we can, whatever, at least 2-3 holes, whenever we move on the road, we do. So that people will not find it difficult, especially on the main roads, on the bends and all, big potholes. Accidents can take place, no? So we, even if it is at night, we just take the things and do. Because PWD is most of the time, they are not so much worried about the condition of the road. Many things are not all right in our district.
We find this road few months back, it was somewhat good, but immediately it went
Yeah.
on. What?
Because of the rain condition, flood and all, then a continuous rain spoils the road. All of us know that.
Any appeals we would like to say to government?
Government, my only wish is that government should see the plight of the people, and they should really take care of the welfare of the people, especially road communication is very important, more than making many other things. For example, I see the stadium and other things, they are useful, but the most essential thing is health and the road communication. If these two things and education, all these things are all right, the rest of the things will take care of itself. The essential thing, people have to move now. Communication, buying things, going here and there, especially when they are sick. People have no big hospitals anywhere nearby in this area, especially our Umswai or this Umbanai, all this area. So we have to go to either Naugong or Guwahati or Jagi Road. So if the roads are very bad, we see the road going to Nedi, so miserable. How to reach there only so difficult. So we find so difficult, and people are suffering. Somehow they make move around, but the government is not bothering so much. Now they make promises, but they don't fulfill. So whatever we can in the little way, we are doing, nothing more than that, because nobody else is doing. So we feel sorry. So whatever in our capacity, we are doing. That's all.
Would you like to?
More than this small road, I want them to repair the Nelly Umbanai road. That is the most important. Umgulukunji or even going to Umswai. Those are the main roads, where hundreds of gadis are plying every day. These are small roads. Even if they don't do this, at least let them do the main road, which is most essential for all people. Here only few people move around. So this one I don't ask them to do immediately. At least the main road, which is the artery of the road, the most important roads, they must repair. That is my request. If our small roads in the village and if they don't repair, it is not much of a problem. But the main roads has to be done very fast. Sometimes we see people are not really interested in the welfare of the people. People really suffer. The other day there was an accident on the road because that geo you have seen, they have cut the road, but big nalas everywhere. So if the road gives side to another gadi, it is at high risk. So like that road leaving like that is very bad. It is a risk for the people. Plus we are endangering the life of the public who are moving on the road. That is very sad situation in our district. Most of the roads are in a very pathetic and poor condition.